Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you guys are having a beautiful and blessed day. So today I just have my simple everyday quick and easy makeup video. I first start off with the MAC primer right here, and I already moisturize as well. I moisturize with my Clinique moisturizer, and this is the brush I use. It's just a foundation brush, just like so. I'll bring it down to my neck as well. I'm gonna be coming in with this Ofra palette right here. Coming in with this dark color right here. This brush from Morphe. Grab just a little bit at a time and then try to shape my brows. Then just go with this pulley side and just blend. I'll just come in with a little bit of concealer. I usually use my Tarte, but I couldn't find it, so I'm just gonna come in with this Wet n Wild face, but I'm just gonna use this one, and I just go in lightly. And then I'll just come in with a brush, just blend it right here. Go really quick and just pat everything down. Okay, I'm going to be using this one right here, and I'm just going to be coming in with this brush. This one is from Sonia. Just grab some and right here. Look up and make sure you press the powder down, and add some to the bridge of my nose, around my mouth area where I get super oily. And then from there, I'll just come with any brush. You can use any brush. Whatever's left of the product, I'll just just to set my whole foundation. And I'll just remove the product already, all the powder I added underneath my eyes. I'll just remove it already. This Soho brush. So back with the palette. With the palette, I'll be coming in with this bronzer right here. And then just up my face. With the same brush, this color right here, and I'll be using it as my blush. Smile and just apply. Blend it just a little bit. Are like all over the place right now. Normally I do clean underneath the brows, but we don't do that right now because we're like in a hurry. So I'll just come in with any color that you feel like you're using out of this palette, and then with this one right here, this brush right here, this is from Wet n Wild. Get that color, and then I'm just gonna place it on my lid. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go to this eye and repeat the same steps. Remember, it does not have to be perfect because this is a quick and easy. Showing you guys a little bit of my routine. The same brush. I'm just gonna press it down and then grab that color and then put it underneath. I'm gonna grab my highlighter that I'm gonna be using, and this one is right here. This is the Rodeo. Tap it just a little because we don't want to have too much. Go back just a tiny bit and put it right here in my brow. It's super light. So for the lashes, I'm just gonna be using these falsies right here. They're like super natural, kind of wispy, and you can use any brand. Dark blue with this mascara. Just add a little, like one coat of mascara. So right now I'm just letting the glue just dry up a little bit. With mascara. Barely, because look how tiny they are, you guys. Super tiny. Now we're gonna do the other one. Usually add my falsies because I am doing like very fast. So I don't mind adding my falsies. So I'm gonna be using this one right here for my inner corner. I use my finger. And with my Mario Badescu spray. Just let it dry. Then for the lips, Rimmel of London lip liner, the shade Spice. And I'll just underline my lips. And then I'll come in with this Smashbox. All it right here. So it could be a little glossy. This is my finished look, you guys. What do you guys think? It's super easy, like I said. I hope you guys love it. Give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.